Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today you see in the fishing store, you guys are I'm a talker, smaller talker. And there's books about fishing and stuff. Nice nets and stuff. Bait. And I'm going to the kid. Just my little boy, Elsa, whatever she is. Buzz Lightyear, Cars, and Tangled. And my mom and Chris.
Pretty cool looking mine, isn't it?
Ooh. And they have shoes, like Sperry's, socks, hats. Oh, look up here. Shorts, glasses, shirts. Let's go down to here. Boots, fishing stuff, and you can see me. And my sister's right there. Okay, so there's that stuff. There's a bunch of cool stuff. I'm gonna take you over to here. Like, if you get in the water, you can wear that. They have a bunch of shoes and stuff. They have a bunch of stuff here. You guys can see me again. I'm using my do. Look. Oh. Shoes for the water. Guys, there's a bunch of stuff here. Look at these humongous fish. There's a pink, goldish yellow, and yellowish green. Goldish yellowish green. So, and you guys, look. Okay, you guys. So I wanted to just show you that. Show you the store that I was at. So you guys, bye.